Hey, and welcome to NEXD. In this tutorial, I'll show you two different ways to create rotation animations. First, we'll make an endlessly rotating animation on the Z-axis, perfect for things like food, wheels, or any element you want to keep spinning continuously. Then, I'll show you how to create a back and forth rotation on the Y-axis, which gives a nice 3D effect, like something gently turning from side to side. To start, open the Creative where you want to add the animation and find the asset you'd like to animate. Click on Animation Settings and turn the animations on. Set the animation type to Rotate and leave the easing option as None. Choose the start time as 0 and set the end time to whatever you like. Just make sure it matches the overall animation length. Because we want the object to rotate endlessly, you don't need to change the starting or ending angles. It will automatically rotate from 0 to 360 degrees and repeat continuously. As you can see, if you choose a shorter time, the rotation will be faster, and if you choose a longer time, it will be slower. That's it. For the second example, we'll create a rotation that moves side to side on the Y-axis, giving a smooth back and forth effect. This animation is made up of 4 short steps that together form one full movement. The total animation length is 2.8 seconds, so each step lasts 0.7 seconds. In the first step, set the rotation from 0 degrees to 15 degrees. The start time is 0 seconds, and the duration is 0.7 seconds. This makes the object tilt slightly to one side. In the second step, set the start time to 0.7 seconds, with the same 0.7 second duration. Rotate from 15 degrees back to 0 degrees. This brings the object back to the center. For the third step, set the start time to 1.4 seconds, and again use a 0.7 second duration. Rotate from 0 degrees to -15 degrees, which tilts the object to the other side. Finally, in the fourth step, start at 2.1 seconds and rotate from -15 degrees back to 0 degrees, also with a 0.7 second duration. When looping is enabled, this 2.8 second sequence repeats endlessly, creating a smooth and natural side-to-side rotation that gives your object a nice 3D feel. Once you're happy with how the animation looks, you can easily copy and paste these animation settings onto another asset. This is a quick way to make multiple elements loop in the same way without setting each one up from scratch. Thank you for watching. Now you know how to use rotate animations. If you need any help, feel free to reach out using the chat icon in the bottom right-hand corner, or send an email to support@next.com.